We now take meaning of statistics. Meaning of statistics. Broadly, statistics means two things. Data collection. Number two, methods of data collection. In fact, collection, presentation, and analysis. So we talk of statistics in two senses: data collection and methods of data collection, presentation, and analysis. Technically, this is described as statistics in the plural sense, and this is described as singular sense. So, statistics in the plural sense is data collection, and in the singular sense, the methods of data collection, of presentation, of analysis, and all that. So, in the plural sense, statistics is defined as aggregate of numerical facts aggregates of numerical facts related to one another. Aggregate of numerical facts related to one another, estimated in a systematic manner. Estimated in a systematic manner with a reasonable standard of accuracy for a predetermined purpose. This is how we define. देखिए इसमें कितनी बातें आ गई हैं. Aggregate, estimated in a systematic manner, reasonable standard of accuracy, predetermined purpose. ये चार बातें इसकी डेफिनेशन में आनी चाहिए. तो ये डेफिनेशन अपने आप में कंप्लीट हो जाती है। कमिंग टू सिंगुलर सेंस, it is defined as, you can say, it deals with statistical methods of collection, presentation, and interpretation. Collection, presentation, and interpretation of data with the objective of drawing conclusions. Objective of drawing conclusions. अब देखिए इसमें भी statistical methods of etc. objective of drawing conclusions to take decisions. उन conclusions के basis पर decisions लेना. So we normally distinguish between statistics in the plural sense and the singular sense. The briefest way is, in the plural sense it is simply data. In singular sense it is methods. This is the briefest way you can learn data and methods. Data is plural sense and methods is singular sense. We will talk more in other lessons about statistics, but in this we are mainly concerned with its relation with economics.